YouTube. From the look of the title, you already know what time it is. Get it poppin'. We're gonna do it with y'all, You feel me? We're gonna do it with y'all. This hair's gotta go. It's gotta go, guys. It's time to return. It's time to return, guys. It's time to return, guys. We done grew so much hair, bro. Now, y'all know what's poppin'. It's gotta go. I can't even cut it, my hair's so knotty. I can't even cut this joint off. Goodness gracious. You know what I mean? No dress for me. No dress for me. So YouTube, we back. We finished the haircut. Currently, we were having a little technical difficulty because of the hair was like pretty much dreadlocked. And so I didn't have any shears on me. So I kind of had to just cut them with the clippers, taking, in the midst of that, after that, I figured we just finished the cut. And then, you know what I mean? I'll fill you guys in. So I technically I used the 2-guard around the whole head. Just cut against the grain all around, 2-guard to leave hair so that I could start the process of waving, you know what I mean? So I just went to the store and I picked this up. Some, you know what I'm saying? Oil. It's pretty good oil I like to use. 6 oils in one, so on. We'll get more into detail just to get something going. You know what I'm saying? Just get my hair oiled while I'm brushing. And yeah, that's pretty much that, y'all. So let's get it. Next video, I'll show you what the hair is looking like, my brush angles, pattern, and all that stuff. So we starting this hair journey, wave journey, right from the start. Shout out to everybody who's, starting waving journey with me. And let's get it popping, y'all. Make sure you hit the like button. I appreciate it. So we can, to push content so everybody can see the videos, as well as hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified on all these videos, because we pushing them this time. We coming through this year with the videos. I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Keep brushing, y'all. Let's go.